Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn to do something like this. This tutorial is going to be very easy. I actually just have one light stand, one wide angle lens box that I'm using as a table, a chopping board, and a pineapple. So, pineapple and knife. That's our subject for today.
There's two ways to do this levitation photography. One would be to use high shutter speed and throw the fruits, try to capture them in mid-air before they hit your knife or close to the knife. Although that works, it's a bit more complicated because you have less control over how to position the fruits. In the tutorial I'm doing today, we're using fishing line and we're going to attach them to a pole and we're going to chop the pineapple in half, tie both halves to the fishing line, and then take the photo. So this gives us a little bit more control.
Slight change of plans. I might actually go back to the 24mm lens. This lens is so wide that I'm actually seeing this, and I don't want to put it too high because then the wind will move them too much. So I might actually crop my frame a little bit. Let's see how that works. Okay, I think I have one photo. I'm gonna check it on the computer and see if it actually worked.
Once you have a photo that you're happy with, you're gonna import it to Lightroom. Then you're gonna edit your photo as normal in Lightroom. I'm gonna click Auto here just to give it a nice starting point. Auto generally works. I'm gonna push a little bit of the vibrance. I want a lot of colors. Maybe my shadows could be a bit brighter so I can see more of my face. Okay, once I'm happy with the edit I want in my photo, I'm gonna right click and edit in Photoshop. Once Photoshop loads the image, I generally click and drag here to the plus little icon here in the corner to create a copy of the image. That way, if I make a change that I'm not happy with, I can always go back to the original image. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna go to this magical tool, Spot Healing Brush. This tool, it's very cool. It's actually like magic. And we're gonna scale this down until it's roughly the size of the string. And we're gonna click once and then hold Shift and then click again, and that's it. Click again and click Shift, and that's it. Click Shift. Maybe I'll zoom a little bit here. You don't want to do the whole thing in one go because when the tool sees changes in colors like this, it might get confused. So you just take your time and make the changes slowly but surely. I might actually scale this tool a little bit more. I'm just going to speed up the process for the sake of keeping the tutorial short. But you can see that this tool is very powerful and it will do a great job. That's it, the strings are now gone and this is pure magic. Now you have your levitating pineapple. So you're going to hit save here, boom. And then Photoshop will save the file and save the changes to Lightroom. Then you're going to open Lightroom back up again and immediately you'll have your new photo. This is the before and this is the after photo. In this case, I'm going to use this photo in Instagram, so I'm just going to crop it for Instagram. Then you can just get the photo and export it as normally as you would, and boom, I'm done.
I hope some of you are inspired by this tutorial today, and if you do recreate the photo, please share a link. Use any fruit, a coconut, a pineapple, whatever you want to use. That was it for today. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you're not subscribed already, please do so. Give it a thumbs up, a like. Thank you very much, and see you next time.